Welcome to the Wi-Fi Booster. How to make Netgear router faster. Here are some steps to make Netgear router faster. 1. Update firmware. Check for updates. Log into your router's web interface by typing http://www.routerlogin.net or http://192.168.1.1 in your browser. Log in, enter your username and password. Default is usually admin and password. Firmware update. Look for the firmware update section under Administration or Advanced. Follow the instructions to update the firmware. 2. Optimize wireless settings. Channel selection. Set your router to the least crowded Wi-Fi channel. Use tools like Wi-Fi Analyzer to check which channels are less congested. Channel width. For 2.4 GHz, set the channel width to 20 MHz to avoid interference. For 5 GHz, 40 MHz or higher can be used for better performance. Mode. Ensure the router is set to the fastest mode available, for example, 802.11 acres/n. 3. Positioning the router. Central location. Place the router in a central location in your home to provide even coverage. Elevation. Place the router on a higher shelf to improve signal distribution. Avoid obstructions. Keep the router away from walls, metal objects, and electronic appliances that can interfere with the signal. 4. Use wired connections. Ethernet. For devices that require a stable and fast connection, use Ethernet cables instead of relying on Wi-Fi. 5. Network extenders or mesh systems. Extenders. If you have a large home, consider using Wi-Fi extenders to eliminate dead zones. Mesh network. For seamless coverage, invest in a mesh Wi-Fi system that ensures strong signal throughout your home. 6. Regular reboot. Reboot schedule. Reboot your router periodically to clear cache and refresh connections. 7. Check connected devices. Device management. Limit the number of devices connected to your network. Disconnect devices that are not in use. 8. Disable unused features. Advanced settings. Turn off features that you don't need, such as guest networks or parental controls, if they're not in use. Thanks for watching.